To start standby.
Just a second, I'm going to get this thing going here.
So Dr. Payton, what are we trying to do here?
All right, so we're going to try to set up high flow oxygen using the Draeger vent. So we're going to walk you through that step by step. So
if you watch Dr. Tran's video on doing the high flow, this setup right here at the bottom of the vent is the exact same. Spike the top, spike the bottom, and this is the humidifier that we're going to turn on once it's plugged in. This is the same kind of cord here for the high flow setup. And then the difference is we're going to plug it into the vent instead of the high flow machine. And then, so she's going to walk us through how to do the settings.
I'm going to take it down here for a second so they can see it from the beginning.
Okay. So this is off vent.
So first, all I did was add a section of corrugated tubing.
Okay.
And this is your inspiratory side, and nothing's coming out on the expiratory side, so you could technically remove it. Okay, so that's enabling the flow that's coming from the vent to go pass into your humidifier and then through the tubing to deliver the flow to the patient. So you turn on the vent.
And as far as the humidifier, how much control do you have over the temperature?
So when it logs on, you can decrease the heat, and you can actually decrease or increase the humidity. There'll be a little sun for drier, and then raindrops for more wet.
Okay.
But the standard should just come up kind of in the middle of both. And we recommend like 36 to 37 degrees. And that's going to give you your most optimal humidification.
Yeah, and 37 is usually what I've been
37 is what we mostly set up with our vents. Sometimes patients will complain when they're on the high flow that it's a little bit too hot for them. So then you can titrate it down from there. But the lower your temperature goes, then that's going to affect your humidification.
Okay, now when we come to the Draeger vent, we're
no, it's on. It's on. Yeah, don't touch it.
It's already on.
It's starting. It's just starting.
System startup. Got it. So we're going to wait for it to come to the home screen.
So this is the first screen that's going to come by. I'm just going to put, you can do new and all that, but for this point, we're not doing weights or anything. This is just for the blow by, so we don't need to worry about any of that.
Okay.
So now on this screen, normally we're in ventilation mode when we're dealing with the ventilator, but we're going to go to O2 therapy.
O2 therapy and then confirm.
And then for your settings, go to vent settings.
Ventilation settings.
Okay, so that's going to tell you
FiO2 or your flow. And then again, the flow goes from 0 to 50 liters per minute. Okay.
So we are limited a little bit more. Our high flow systems, they go up to 70. But this is an option for when we're lacking things. And then your FiO2. Once you're plugged into the wall, you can control your FiO2.
Okay, so I hit confirm, and now at this point, I can just hit start.
If you hit that,
Standby.
No, start ventilation.
And
Sorry.
then start ventilation.
And then confirm.
And then
push.
Confirm.
Yeah.
Not yet.
And that's just because we're not actually
We're just not plugged in.
Into wall O2 yet.
But it's like, it has its own compressor, so it's generating the flow without being plugged in.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you very much.